What up, guys? Italy business vlog part 1. One of one. What's going on, guys? I'm in Italy, Milan to be exact, and let me tell you, this trip has been crazy.
Yeah, dude. What the fuck?
Oh, look at Ty, dude.
Down here, bro. Are you actually?
We missed our Milan train, so we ended up in Venice. What a day.
That guy just lit his art. At least vlog it, dude. Come on.
Bro, they got ads on the cathedral. To be completely honest, this is my last day here, but we've been so busy and traveling all around. We literally came here with a mission and a purpose, and we accomplished every goal that we wanted to accomplish. One of our dream brands that we want to build is a designer slash premium brand, and of course that largely has to do with fashion. I've always loved fashion. Me and Tyler, I would consider us both to be fashionable people, but with a minimalist mindset, and I think that's sort of where the fashion world is moving towards, more reusable, more consciousness in terms of where products are sourced rather than just fast fashion. And what better place to find factories and suppliers for this sort of purpose than the fashion capital of the world, which is Italy, and specifically Milan. So we've just been hustling, spending like every day basically doing research and traveling, like I said, and it's been crazy exhausting, but regardless, we came with a purpose and we were able to achieve everything we wanted to achieve here. Now, one thing I want you guys to understand, I literally did not mean to do that.
Are you sure about that?
One thing I want you guys to understand is when it comes to building a brand, it really goes way beyond website design. And that's the reason why we're here, it's not just about making your website look pretty, it's about having a vision and a purpose, and of course satisfying your customers to the highest degree possible. When we first started this brand, we were doing everything out of China, and while that did work well in terms of scalability, there was not a lot of quality assurance, and we were running into just a lot of issues. And besides, fashion is such a big niche. It encompasses so many things, and there's so much competition that really the only way for us to compete and actually build like a multi-million-dollar brand out of this is to be unique and just go the extra mile, go bigger and better. I want you guys to remember that out of this video. If you want to beat your competition, if you have an idea or a brand that you want to build and you want to actually make a big name for it and a big name for yourself, you need to go bigger and better. And I want to let you guys know, of course, that just because we're not sourcing out of China, it does not mean that China is like a bad place to source. But when it comes to environmental standards and sustainability, it really isn't, it does not fit the overall values of our brand. And this is why we've had to step outside of that, even if it does take a lot of time. This is not about money, this is about building something that we're really proud of, that I'm proud to represent, and that other people would be proud to represent as well. We've had such a good time, man. Traveling with your best friends and just, going to amazing countries to meet factories. I really just can't put it into words how grateful I am to have you guys and to take you along this journey. I kind of want this channel and my personal brand overall to just be like an archive of our business experience. And I think having this really long-term vision is probably a big reason why I feel so happy right now and just so excited for the future. And guys, I want you to remember that I will never not answer your comments, so please don't ever hesitate to leave me a comment and think that I'm not gonna see it or that it's some bot replying. That will never be the case. That is so unauthentic, and I can't believe some people do that. So yeah, I guess that wraps up this video. Make sure you watch some of my other stuff if you wanna learn, and keep up with my Instagram because that's where I'm most active right now. But yeah, I love you guys and see you soon. Peace.